Oh, spits on our paint tray.
Oh, a gaping hole, boys. It's a hefty gaper. How'd it when I puke?
I will.
Oh, this dinger's gonna go down with it.
Give her shit.
Got this.
Oh! Luckily you're in the shower, and it's done like that.
Is it really done?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's impressive.
Mm.